Hello guys, so how are you today guys? Kumustang araw niyo dyan guys? Kumustang it's coffee time guys? Mm. Nag-aso-aso pa guys ang kape. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy guys. Shout out sa mga coffee lover dyan. Harap talaga. Lalo na kasi malamig ang panahon guys. Nako. Oh, miming. So, coffee talaga tayo guys. Excited talaga magtimpla pag lamig ang panahon. So, coffee na naman. Kumusta kayo dyan, mga kasisi? Mga bishi? Ito ng bishi nyo. Bishi! Ang sis nyo. Ano talaga guys? Coffee lover talaga. Si sis Joanne nyo. Cheers! Sa mga nagko-coffee dyan. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good day, everyone, and keep safe. You see the hands of Miming guys. Ming, you don't, okay, you see Ming? Oh, you go down now, you go down. Very good. Miming talaga guys. Ako. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Yun lang guys for today's video. Thank you so much. And God bless us. See you again in the next. Bye.